Hi everybody, and welcome to my channel. Today, for the very first time, I'll be unboxing a GoPro Hero 8 Black. Newest edition just came out, released recently. This actually has a Hypersmooth 2.0. Comes with a few features here. You got a battery, one clip, a thumb screw, the charging cable, and only one sticky stand mount there. And it's actually a curved mount, it's not the flat mount. Not sure why they did that, but that's what you got with this one. A few features we got going on here. We have a 12 megapixel, 4K 60 frames, 1080p at 240, 8 times slow-mo, Hypersmooth 2.0, you got Time Warp 2.0, 1080p live streaming option, also have live burst, super photo with high dynamic range, can also take raw pictures. You have the built-in mount on the bottom now, so you no longer need to worry about additional accessories or the frame that goes around the outside. It does have voice commands. As always, the touch screen on the back, waterproof up to 33 feet, and has GPS options on it. And it works with the original GoPro app as usual. So we'll go ahead and open this up. I'm going to open it for the first time here. Let's see what we got here. Comes pre-mounted on the top for display options. I'll go ahead and remove this thumb screw here. There we go, set that to the side. And like I said in the first part of the video there, you do actually have this built into the bottom here, these little wings. So you no longer need to worry about putting the mount around the outside or taking that with you. These are also replaceable as well, so if you break it or anything happens to it, you can go to the GoPro website and order a new one and place that on there. It's a nice looking camera here. One of the notable differences is the lens doesn't come off. So if it does break, you will have to have a more expensive repair. Maybe send it into GoPro to take care of that. But it should be good though. It does actually have the Gorilla Glass on the front here, so it's supposed to be a lot more scratch resistant and a little harder to break. Mode button is here on your left side. It does have a little bit of a texture on the outside here, not like rubber, but it's like plastic feel, but a nice little texture to help you grip it a little bit easier. Doors here on the right side. So to open it up, you actually slide this down and then pop this open, and the door is easy to come off as well. It's one of the options that I hear a lot of people complaining about so far, is that this is easily for it to fall off. But you do have your spot for your SD card, your battery, and your USB cable right there for connectivity. You do have your front screen on here, so you can see what your settings you have it on if you're taking video of yourself, obviously. Make that a little easier. See what we got here. Take this little cover off the back. It's not as easy to grab. Ready? There we go. Nice and shiny. Alright, let's see what we got in the box with this. Oh, also as well, a lot of people do like this mount up here, because you can take this off, take the whole top off the box, set it down on the table, so that way if you just need a tabletop stand to take a selfie or like a group photo of you and someone else, that's a perfect option to do as well. You do have a plastic clip up here that needs to come off. This is just for shipping purposes, and it doesn't want to go anywhere apparently. There we go. You take that off, remove this, and you do have a clip right here. That's another accessory that comes with it. Okay, right inside the box, moving on here, we do have advertisement for their cloud storage and their service. You can try it for free apparently. Throw that to the side here. You got a quick start guide, just in case you didn't know how to use the very simple options on it. Throw that over there. Some cautions, just basically saying, you know, be careful you don't lose the battery door. That's there if you need help. Yeah, go find someone there. Some GoPro stickers, and your manual, which is mostly going to be loaded with fine print that you'll need a magnifying glass to read. So there goes that too. Alright, what we got here is Just as on the outside, USB cable, standard. There's your mount there. Like I said, they gave you a curved one for some reason. I don't know why. Probably if you got a helmet or something like that, it'll be great with it. But if you're planning on doing anything else with it, this isn't going to do you any good. So we'll throw that over there. And your battery. The battery does look a little different, except for it does work with the GoPros 5, 6, 7, and of course 8 because it came with it. But the company does say that it will act a little different based on certain modes if you swap it out with a different battery. Alright, let's go ahead and power this little guy up, see what he does. It's going to yell at me because I don't have a card in there, but we'll get to that. There we go. Set this up for the first time. English. Agree to this stuff, legal stuff. Turn this GPS on and install the app. Alright, that's it for my video for now. I will be updating a video on how the features and everything work on it here pretty soon. Thanks for watching. Be sure to comment below anything that you like about the video, dislike about the video, as this is my first review video or unboxing video. This way it'll help me out while I work on future videos. Again, thanks for watching. Please subscribe, hit the notifications, and leave some comments.